Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the colors of your entire designs, including the backgrounds and all elements in just one click. First, just upload an image of the color palette that you want to use, or you can create your own palette or download one from the internet. Next, just right click on the image and select Apply Colors to Page. And see, Canva will automatically update all your elements and background to match your new color scheme. And if you want to change it again, just right click and then apply colors to page again. This trick is perfect if you want to match your brand colors or keep your aesthetic consistent. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.